Hey all, Mary Checker with Cole Banker Gandecker in Lake St. Louis, and I hope you are staying safe and healthy as we go through these crazy times. This is a great time to start working on a few things. For you, the buyer looking to purchase a home in the next few weeks or a month, it's a great time to start working on that mortgage pre-approval. Rates are still super low. Call a local lender, or you can always call me for my list of local lenders that I have worked with over the years. For you, the seller, our inventory of homes is super low. We need your home. We need your home on the market. It's time to start some spring cleaning. Do some painting to freshen up the home. Depersonalize. Start doing those little projects. Did I mention we need your home on the market? You can always call me for no obligation market analysis of your home and let's get that home on the market. I'm Mary Checker with Coldwell Banker Decker. You all stay safe out there and I'll talk to you soon.